afternoon, geometry guys. This is Mr. Jeffries, my 6th period geometry class. This is actually, hopefully first period will watch this because their lesson did not go so well and I had to throw out all the handouts. Don't forget hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, so I know you were all asking yourself, what does all these letters mean in 1 through 5? Okay, well, what's so funny? That number 4 is close to a bad word? Okay, great. Oh, no, not in the 9th grade class. Now, those 4 things right there would, that is not lessons that you want to do the week before Thanksgiving break. Okay, because they take a little bit longer. The easiest one is what we're doing today, which is HL. That stands for hypotenuse leg, and it only applies to right triangles. All right. So the hypotenuse leg theorem says that if you have 2 triangles and the hypotenuse of both of them are congruent and corresponding legs are congruent, then the whole triangles are congruent. Alright, so let's look at this right here. This has a remember, hypotenuse is the one across from the right angle. So this is a 5 and this is a 5. Alright, let's check this. Oh, so automatically we can, negate that. It ends out. This one's a 3 and this one's a 3. Alright. Now, we would have something, triangle LMN is congruent to triangle OQP. And yes, the order does matter on that because they have to match up. Now, when I can give some of the check on learnings back from yesterday. Now, if you weren't here yesterday, don't worry about the check on learning. We're just going to move on. It's not counted against you. All right. So, let's look at these. We're asked if the 2 triangles are congruent. If so, write the congruent statement. All right. Well, this hypotenuse is 10. This one's 10. Well, those are congruent. This is 6 and this is 6. Those are congruent. That means that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Yeah, DEF. Yeah, we're just going to, throw the whole alphabet there and see what sticks. All right. Now, on number 2, this is labeled as a right angle. That means this is the hypotenuse. But what about this one over here? Is this triangle here also a right triangle?
Yes.
How do we know that? Ooh, good. Vertical angles, yes. Now, some people have said, we don't know, and also something, when you have an intersection, and we're going to cross, we've had this some, but not really in depth, about a perpendicular bisector. If 2 lines intersect and one angle is a right angle, the other 3 are also right angles. Okay, so this would be triangle LMP is congruent to triangle OMN. Well, this long side is congruent to this long side, this short side, but are they congruent? Number 3. It's also the same number 3 on your paper.
Yes.
They are congruent? Don't know. Think they are? So, it's really close. It's hard to tell, isn't it? What would be one thing that would help us know without any doubt?
The lines.
If we like made them the same triangle.
If we made them the same triangle, yes. And oh, you mean have them drawn the same direction? Okay, that could help. Somebody said the lines. What about the lines?
The parallel lines. The lines that say this is congruent.
Okay, the lines that say this is congruent. Yeah, if we had this.
Yeah.
Say it again. Yes, that's the line we're missing. Okay, we don't have the right angle here and here. So this would be an emphatic no. All right, and number 4. Well, this leg is congruent to this leg. And then they share a hypotenuse. Can a line segment be congruent to itself?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, triangle RVX is congruent to triangle RVT. All right, now on the back, I know there's not very many problems on the back, and this is why this part was done after the original lesson kind of like went about like the Hindenburg. Yeah, the one that blew up and stuff. Yeah, it was really bad. It didn't go well this morning, and it's not like it just didn't go well. It didn't flow. I didn't double check the lesson yesterday. I was actually in a hurry to try to have dinner with my son and my dad. All right, so this is what I want you to do. You need to set these up to find x. Let me type this out. Find x. Oh. If you can have a triangle four side. Congruent statement. All right. So that's what I want you to do. Now, you'll have to do things like this on your practice work tomorrow. Now, tomorrow I will not be in here, but you'll come in, get your handout, do your work, and submit your stuff in Schoology. Okay? Kind of like Friday, yes, y'all have a quiz. The quiz is a daily grade, but I needed some type of assessment to prove that y'all know what's going on. And the main reason we're doing it in Schoology is so it will grade it. And, you know, last Friday I was here at 4:30 grading papers, and if my 200 milligrams of Zoloft would let me cry, I would have cried. So, yeah. All right. So they're going to do these problems, and for those around the world, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, with the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.